Hello everyone and welcome back to the GCSE Maths Series. Today we're going to be taking a look at expanding triple brackets, so let's get straight into it. So, before we move into expanding triple brackets, we're going to first look at the FOIL method and recap this. The FOIL method is a method we use on double brackets, and it entails multiplying our first terms in the brackets, so our respective first terms, so x in the first bracket and x in the second bracket. Then we look at our outside terms. So if we were to look at this as one big sandwich, our outside terms will be this x here and this x right here. Now, looking at our inside terms is the next one, as you can see. Again, once we've identified this as like a sandwich sort of thing, we have 3 and x in the middle as the main stuffings. Then we have our last term, so the last term in our first bracket times by the last term in our second bracket. So conducting this, we get our first terms times together, we get x squared. Then we get our outside terms times together, we get plus 7x. Then timesing our inside terms, we get plus 3x. Then our last terms, we get plus 21. And now we simplify this by collecting like terms to get it in its final form. So x squared plus 10x plus 21. Now looking how we can use our FOIL method to expand triple brackets. Okay, so what we do when expanding triple brackets is take the first two brackets and rewrite them like this. Then we conduct our FOIL method. So our first terms is going to give us x squared. Our outside terms is going to give us plus x. Inside terms plus 4x. And last terms plus 4. And we're going to get x squared plus 5x plus 4. Now, we open and close brackets either side of that, and then refer to our third bracket as such right there. Now, looking at it, we now need to expand each one of our terms in the 3-term bracket by each term in the second bracket. So, first we start off by timesing through by x to x squared. So, we have x cubed, then plus 2x squared. And now we can go to conduct this very same procedure. You see how I've looked at my first term in the 3-term bracket and timesed it with each term separately in the second bracket. We conduct this with all 3 terms in our first bracket to get our final expanded form. So we then get 5x times by x plus 5x squared. Then 5x times by 2, we get plus 10x. Then we get 4 times by x, we get plus 4x, and then our other term is plus 8. Now, we need to simplify this to get it in the final form. So we have x cubed plus 7x squared, that's like terms we've collected, and then we look at our x's, and then we do plus 14x plus 8. And now, this is our final answer as x cubed plus 7x squared plus 14x plus 8. Now, moving on to the second question. We're going to conduct the exact same method to expand our triple brackets. So we're going to write our x plus 5 and our x minus 2 as our first two brackets. Then conducting our FOIL method, we're going to get x squared. Our outside terms are going to give us minus 2x. Our inside terms are going to give us plus 5x. And our last terms are going to give us minus 10. Now, simplifying by collecting like terms, we're going to get x squared plus 3x minus 10, open and close brackets, and apply our x plus 1 as our third bracket. Then, looking at each term individually, we're going to get x cubed plus x squared plus 3x squared plus 3x minus 10x minus 10. Now, this is going to give us, by collecting like terms, x cubed plus 4x squared minus 7x minus 10. And this is going to be our final answer for question number 2. Now, I'd like you to take this opportunity to pause the video and see if you can attempt these questions, the remaining questions, and then play on once you feel like you have the correct solution. Okay, hopefully you had paused the video and attempted the last 2 questions. Now I'm going to speed run through how to complete them. So we have x minus 2 and 3x plus 1. This will give us 3x squared plus x minus 6x minus 2, giving us 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 with 3x plus 1. Then, expanding out our terms, we get 9x squared plus 3x squared minus 15x squared minus 5x minus 6x minus 2. I'm going to get 9x squared, 9x squared minus 12x squared minus 11x minus 2 as our final answer. Fourth and final question, we're going to have, we're going to have 2x minus 1 times by x minus 5, which is going to give us 2x squared minus 10x minus x plus 5, giving us 2x squared minus 11x plus 5 once we've collected like terms. Then we're going to times by x plus 6, and we're going to get 2x cubed plus 12x squared minus 11x squared minus 66x plus 5x plus 30, and then we're going to get simplified form of 2x cubed plus 12x squared minus 11x squared minus, oh my days, what am I doing? We're going to get, we need to rub this out again. It's all going wrong. So we're going to get 2x cubed plus x squared minus 61x plus 30. And that is our final answer. So that's going to conclude today's video on expanding triple brackets. As always, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.